Hello AV lovers. It's our day two, but it's day one of Infocom, but we've been here since Tide yesterday. And I thought to myself, shall we tell you what's been going on? And I thought, no, actually we won't tell you what's been going on because you can't get over here, can you? But then again, I relented. I thought, why not? It would be cruel for us not to say anything, wouldn't it? The sun actually has come out and it's shining. And unlike Orlando, where we before sat in a cafe watching a typhoon come down the road, bursting every lamp in sight, it's the rays of sunshine have come out and it's suddenly lightened our mood. And so I'm more inclined to tell you what's been going on very briefly. We've had lots of interviews, which you'll see next week, because I'm not going to tell you anything about them until you view them on AVTV as a rollout Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. But what we have interviewed is, well, who we have interviewed rather, to get my grammar correct, is some leading lights of the AV industry who have been former engineers who are now running the companies. And what we've tried to do is not get them to talk about product, but issues and some of the areas that we're interested in ourselves, like innovation and so on. And what are they doing to innovate their technologies? How are they going to help the AV industry think about how it's going to be installing and adapting for new companies coming through? How are they going to create experiences? So we talked to ESI Design this afternoon. We talked to Christie about the innovation it's got planned. We talked to Shaw, and both Christie and Shaw now being run by two former engineers with very different ideas about how these companies are going to be developing over the next few years and what the products are going to be like. Innovation is at the top, much closer association and understanding of customers, end users, which is refreshing. And of course with ESI Design, a really great insight into how ESI, into design rather, how it can be rethought and be made as a process which we can use quite constructively to stay ahead in the way we design infrastructure and AV technology into our working environments, which is becoming a real problem for people. Whether presence is a good idea, how we use data-driven information. And information needs to be used properly and it has to be understandable. It can't just be delivered in the basic ways we used to deliver it in the past. And data-driven means using data to create environments, making them more intuitive than they used to be, creating not just wallpaper, but environments that react to the way we do. All that sort of approach to AV, which is somewhat different to the way we normally report things. So it's been interesting. A lot of Brits are coming over, a lot of Europeans are coming over, they're flooding through the doors all the time. And tomorrow I think we're expecting a larger contingent of them. So it's all looking rather good for AV in Orlando. We haven't had time so far to do any rides, mainly because my insurance doesn't last that long. I don't think they're going to be allowing me to go on any kind of major rides, but I'd love to do, because the rides are being transformed at the moment into quite amazing experiences themselves. And unfortunately, I won't be able to take advantage of them to try out how they are. But not to worry. But it's all good for tomorrow. And so I shall be delivering more excitement through the lens as we go through it, if I'm still alive to do so. Lovely to see you all. We'll keep you in tune with everything through AVTV as usual. See you soon.